And New York officials announcing the first 2 deaths in the state due to coronavirus. The news coming as local governments step up the fight to keep the virus from spreading. ABC's Ariel Reshef is here this morning. Good morning to you, Ariel.
Good morning to you guys. As you mentioned earlier, Eva, overnight the number of cases surging to nearly 3,000 here in the United States. 32 states and the District of Columbia declaring a state of emergency as local officials work to curb this pandemic.
This morning, the death toll rising across the United States as health officials try to mitigate the spread of COVID-19. In New York, officials reporting the state's first 2 deaths. A 65-year-old man with, quote, significant health problems passing away Thursday. 1 day later, an 82-year-old woman from Brooklyn succumbing to the virus. The governor saying she had emphysema, which contributed to her death.
We're going into a full crisis footing. This is a wartime dynamic.
New York now has the most cases in the country, more than 600. Catholic masses canceled as officials try to stem the tide. New York's soaring numbers raising alarm with officials across the country.
This is a virus that does not threaten all segments of our society equally.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis saying travel could perpetuate the problem.
You have a lot of flights back and forth between New York and Fort Lauderdale. People are bringing it in. We're starting to see more cases. I would imagine we're going to see that number grow over the next week or two.
The virus already hitting Florida's political leaders. Miami Mayor Francis Suarez testing positive.
I was very shocked initially, but then I realized quickly that I had to go public with the information because I come into contact with a lot of people and I wanted to inform them.
And as the pathogen spreads throughout the nation, healthcare workers on the front lines concerned about the impact on hospitals.
We're seeing record-breaking numbers of patients coming in with flu-like illness and pneumonias.
In New Jersey, residents of Teaneck ordered to stay inside. 18 of the county's 25 known infections are from the town.
We are at the epicenter of Bergen County in this outbreak, and that we are expecting people to voluntarily self-quarantine themselves. You should only go out if you need to go out. But we're asking you to be smart.
In Ohio, a nurses union is demanding more protective equipment to safeguard against infected patients.
We know that there's a limited supply of this right now. And so we are very concerned that when this virus peaks, that we have enough of this equipment for our nurses to take care of our patients properly.
This as officials scramble to make more face masks and respirators available.
The masks are being made by the millions and millions. We have plenty now, but we're ordering for the millions. We're ordering worst case scenario.
And some counties near Philadelphia are now recommending the closure of non-essential business. Nearly 57,000 schools are expected to close or have closed so far. And you saw the mayor of Miami has contracted this virus. He's actually created a video diary to show the progression of this virus for him so that it hopefully will quell some concerns, some fears, because he's doing okay.
Yeah, he's been very open about it.
Yeah.
I know your kids are stuck at home.
We're stuck
Ours
at home.
as well.
It's just our new reality.
Absolutely, for weeks to come. Ariel, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.